Hello, everybody. You're welcome to our channel. This is Trader Sabran here, and this is week 16 that we're going to be looking at on GBpusd. You know how we do it. This is our weekly tradition. We look at the forecast of the market, and then we position ourselves to trade during the week based on the forecast of the market for the week. So we're looking at GBpusd today, and also we're going to be looking at Euro USD. So if you trade any of these pairs, I want you to watch this video and also get ready to watch the video for the Euro USD. I'm going to be doing the analysis after this one. I believe you guys are having fun trading GBpusd. Well, last week has been a very challenging week because we have multiple news that was released, fundamental news that was released, and that actually affected a lot of traders because most people don't trade the news, and you know how it is. The news can be very, very unfriendly when it comes to your account balance. So now today we want to look at what we have and also look at the fundamentals that we have for the week 16. All right, now this is GBpusd and this is daily time frame. All right, let's look at the daily time frame first of all to see what we have on the screen. Looking at the the daily time frame, you can see that there's a lot of controversy here in the market because the market just created almost an equal top, but a funny equal top double top on the daily. A funny double top on the daily, funny double top on the daily. Why did I say it's funny? Because you see, if you look at the closure of the candle, that is a break of structure right there on the daily. All right, that's a break of structure right there on the daily. We just had a break of structure right there on the daily, but yet we can see this as a double top as well, right? But a break of structure with a double top. Crazy, right? Now we have this pullback. This is the new high. All right. This is the new high. So we have this pullback, and this is the previous low of the market. And then we have the market coming right there to the previous low. All right. Now, this is what we have on the daily. Now, forget about the rest. Listen, you might as well know that it's an uptrend, okay? This is a pure uptrend market. Pure uptrend market, all right? We are purely in an uptrend, but the question is it going to reverse now? Is the market reversing now? Is it going to start dropping now? Well, we can't tell until we do our analysis, because we can see that there are multiple channels here. First of all, we just have this channel. The market has been trading inside that channel. All right, I'm just trying to adjust it properly so you see that the market has been trading inside that channel for a while. And then we have another beautiful intersection there. You see, we see this another beautiful trend line that the market respected over and over and over again. And we see that the market eventually broke. Let's just put it there like that so that we can be able to have a proper view of it. Now, you see what's going on. All right, now this is the daily. I'm just looking at the daily. First of all, let's look at where price rejected from. We just see that price came up to 1.25 zone psychological levels, which is obviously here 1.25 psychological levels, right? The price came there and then dropped, okay? So we see price came up, break above it a little bit by touching the 1.25, almost 1.25,500, okay? So 1.25,500, price came close to 1.25,500 right there. And then we see a broke through. So a break above within 50 pips up before dropping on the daily, okay? So that's beautiful. So let's see. Now, that will not be our area of focus right now. What we're looking at is where price is at. Right now, price is at this level right here, close to 1.23500. So we're going to mark 1.23500. This is 1.24 actually. Price is at 1.24 psychological level. 1.24 psychological level right now. Okay, 1.2400 psychological level. That's a very strong area of interest. Now, this is 1.25 psychological level. So now, here's how I want you to think about it. Are you listening? Of course you are. I'm just acting as though I'm in the class with my mentees. Now, listen. If price break, pay attention now. I'm analyzing the daily time frame. If price break this psychological level and break up structure, all we need to see is a break up structure and a pullback, then we're going to sell. It's a sell market when this happens. Pay attention to what I just did. It's a sell market when this happens. If the market break this low, break structure, because this is the previous structure, so we should see a breakup structure here. All right. If that happens, then we're looking for a pullback, and then we'll look for a sell. Now, on the lower time frame, that's when you're going to be looking for the pullback and keep on selling. As long as this breakup structure happen on the daily, you just want to watch the pullback and go on and pull back and trade it. Now, that's what you want to do. But if the market failed to break this low, then you should be looking for a reaction here, okay, which will be another pullback, but the market will have to break this high. So I will advise, if anyone is going to buy the market, if he fails to break this low, wait for price action and the market react at 1.2400 and bounces off, then we're looking for buys and buy continue. When I mean buy continue, wait for pullback, more buys, buy continue. But remember, this is daily time frame. All of this can take some time. All right, let's go to a time frame that we can actually trade as a day trader. As a swing trader, this is what you should be looking for. But as a day trader, we want to see a swing trader should wait, all right, for price to break. If it break below, look for sell. All right, if it react and then push back up, wait for a break above this high, break of structure, previous high, break of structure, and then wait for that, or look for opportunity to buy here and trade it above this high, and then continue your buy at a pullback like that. That can happen. So pay attention to that expression there. Now let's go to a lower time frame. Remember, we're looking at that break of structure. So let's look at the lower time frame, which is the 4-hour time frame now. Now, looking at the 4-hour time frame, we see that the trend line actually look beautiful the way we put it on the daily. Now, looking at the 4-hour time frame, what we want to see is a break of this structure on the 4-hour. But did you see the difference? Why? Because on the daily time frame, we put the candle, this break of structure on the body, but on the 4-hour, we have the body here. So now, as a day trader, you want to position this. This will become your structure. So you're looking at first 4-hour time frame, a break of structure here. So on the 4-hour, I'm looking for price to come, break the structure, and pull back. Whichever level is going to go, I don't care. I'm going to wait for a sell. Okay? So I'm going to wait for a sell. So a lot of times we'll see that happen. Market drop, break structure, we wait for a pullback. Pullback could be any of these swing high to swing low, and then probably 50, 60, 70%, whatever it is, 60, 70%, or 80, 70%, whatever the price decide to pull back in, wait for price action, and then you're going to look for more sales. But we are not selling yet until we see the structure break. Okay? But we already see that the M pattern is formed in the daily time frame. So, but we need to see if that sell is going to go ahead. We're going to continue that sell. Is the market going to start dropping from now? Is the buy over? Is this bullish momentum over? We are not sure. So, but if we find a break of structure, we wait for a pullback, then our first sell as a day trader is to target that first break. So that means you first of all target that place, which is about 140 pips, 120 pips, sorry. Target 100, depending on the pullback, but I'm just using that as an example. So you would target this low, that would be your first target. That'll be your first target. I hope you're getting it. First target. and then second target. All right, that will be your second target. And then you target, the third one will be somewhere around here. Or you can take this low. That'll be your top target if it's going to sell. This will be area of targets before price will go up. Okay, we're looking at this area of target. We see price could come all the way down here, and we can make this our take profit zones. All right, these are take profit zones. Pull back, take profit, pull back, take profit, pull back. If it break the first structure, we should be looking at price doing this. All right, but on the other hand, if the market failed to break structure, okay, and then started pulling back up again to continue a new high, because we just saw on the 4 hour, this is a new higher high. Okay, the market gave us a new higher high. Let me show you here, a new higher high. This is higher low, higher high, sorry, another higher high. Then we have higher low, but probably another higher low. So how do we get into this buy if it doesn't break the structure? We'll see price action, and then we'll buy. So when we buy, we have to look at, now let's go back to 1 hour time frame. Let me show you. If I'm going to look for a buy here, just quickly, this is not just one-time trade. I'm telling you how the sell is going to be for the week and how the buy is going to be for the week. These are the regions you're going to look at for. Now, on the 1 hour time frame, which I hardly would want to analyze for you, but let me just do it. Okay, now you can see what price has done, a massive drop there, and then stick to this low. All right, but the low we are expecting to break, this is the 1 hour low, previous low that has been created, but this is the 4 hour low that we're looking for a break of structure. Right now, if you see this low, okay, I'm running up with this. If we see this low with this low, they are equal lows right now. What we want is the break of this one to confirm with the 4 hour that we are going up. But I mean, we're going down, we're selling. But right now, if we're going to go back up, then what we need to see is that price will create a market structure. Because if I say put a counter trend line here, that might work. Okay, that might work, but not solely on that. I will advise, be careful to buy from here. All right, I would say be careful to buy from here, but it's a good place to trade because you can see from this zone, let me show you, from this very zone where price dropped from, okay, to this zone. All right, if we match up the price started buying here, that's about 96 pips. A good trade. Day trader, swing trading, you can take, scalpers, you can take that trade beautifully and make some money. All right, but watch out for price action, because we can see price is already intending to start going up. If you move down to the 15-minute, you can actually see clearly that, oh, on the 15-minute, on my entry, I can have a counter trend line here, and then it's already broken. Okay, we have a counter trend line there, or alternatively, you can use that zone, which is obviously is already broken. You can see that it's not so smooth for a counter trend line, isn't it? So, but that's what you want to see for you to get in to start looking for a buy. Otherwise, wait for a pull up, price pull back up, and start looking for sell. If it does, yeah, you're waiting for a break of this structure on the 15 minutes to start looking for sell. But at the moment, 15 minutes is too low for you to start looking for trade. Look for it for 1 hour, 4 hour time frame. All right. So this is exactly what I'm looking at for this week. A break of this structure on the 4 hour, and then I will keep looking for more sales to the downside, or a break above this zone, which is upper low, upper high here. Price break above this high, break above, push up, break above this high, and then I will start looking for more of buys to the upside. Okay, even though I won't be able to catch the buy here, but if I can wait for structure break up there, I'll wait for a pullback into this trend line, and I'm going to look for more buys. But this is what I look for on trading GBpUSD in week 16. So I hope you guys got it. Now let's look at the fundamentals quickly before we run it up today. So we're looking at the Forest Factory quickly, and then we'll be able to see what the market is holding for us. So now this week, we're looking at the calendar. Let's see what we have for the week 16. Now, starting from a Monday, next week, which is on 17th, we have one news coming in. All right, we have a news on Monday, which is tomorrow, 17. Empire State Manufacturing Index, maybe 130, but watch out for that. That's good. It's a high impact news according to Forest Factory. And then on Tuesday, 7 a.m., we have another impact news, high impact news, claim count change. And also that's the major one we have. And Canada, as well as CPI, we have US Canada dollars coming in with their CPI. And another news there that will come in on Wednesday is CPI, obviously CPI coming in by 7 a.m., which is good. It's happening before the London opening, which is good. So you just wait for the news to go away and then we'll start trading. All right. Then on Thursday, we have unemployment claims, which is 130 US dollars. And that will be affecting British pounds as well. And also we have at 4:30 p.m. Is for card United US card. So obviously by that time, day traders, you should be done trading. So on Friday is a big one. So on Friday, we have euro on the news. And then we have British pounds again, 9:30 a.m. for PMI, manufacturing PMI news. So again, by 2:45, we have manufacturing PMI as well. So again, these news fundamentals are coming in again this week. Week 16, we have a lot of fundamental news to pay attention to. Well, don't give up. We just have to learn how to trade around this and then make money and get out of it. So now I think a time is coming where we have lesser fundamentals. But for now, this is what we have. We have to learn to trade. And most of the time, our technical analysis always follow and matches with the fundamentals most of the time. Okay, so pay attention to that. All right, guys, that's it for today. I believe you have enjoyed this analysis. Again, one more time, this is what we're looking for. We'll look for a buy as soon as price push up and break this high, and then we'll look for more buys, or we sell if price break the structure, and then we'll look for more sales. I believe you got it. So do your analysis again by using this. You will understand. If you have any question, leave it in the comment section, or even join us on our Telegram group. It's free. That's where we do the daily analysis and send it out. So you want to learn how to trade and look at become technical in your analysis, then that's good. Join us. It's free. What are you waiting for? The link is in the description below. And also for those of you who want to join our mentorship, the link is in the description below. You want to join the program and learn how to trade, that's how we do it. You're welcome to the family. You're welcome to the team. So I see you in week 17. Enjoy your week 16 trading. Bye for now, guys. One love.